Hello, I am Saurabh Kumar and I am a 2019 batch mechanical engineering graduate from Institute of Engineering and Management Kolkata. And currently I am working as an executive trainee at Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, and after the training I will be appointed as Scientific Officer C. In this video I will be talking about GATE examination. So GATE is one examination which opens multiple doors for you. It will, if one wants to get into higher studies, then it will give you that opportunity, and if one wants to get into a PSU, then it will give you that opportunity as well. So in mechanical engineering, we need to read a lot of things. We need to learn a lot of concepts, lot of subjects, and we need to read every subject in very depth. But for excelling in GATE examination, we don't need that. We need very limited amount of things, and we should be very clear and very good in that limited amount of things. Because GATE is something which is very competitive in nature, and we cannot read everything in limited amount of time. So for excelling in GATE examination, we need to be very clear with the things that are being asked in GATE examination. And one very common notion or doubt in everyone's mind is like whether one will be able to prepare for university examination and GATE parallelly, or one will be able to follow the co-curricular things and GATE parallelly. So I was very closely associated with some of the student chapters of my college, like ASME IM student chapter. I was the vice president, and ISRE IM student chapter, where I was the volunteer and coordinator of the events like IJJ, Tapman, and I actively participated in events organized by ISRE. Like I was the winner of quarterfinals of AQuest, and I represented my college and the student chapter at Acrex Bangalore. So I can say that we can do both. Apart from that, because I won the university bronze medal for academic performance as well. So, and my rank in GATE was 435. So I can say like we can do all the things parallelly, and there is no problem with that. Even if someone follow good and standard books for university examination, then one will find it very easy to prepare for GATE examination, because concepts are same, and if one is very clear with the concepts, then he can emphasis or focus more on numerical part and improve his numerical ability. And apart from that, there are some common mistakes that one does in GATE examination, like the calculation error or the silly mistakes. These are the major things which deduct your mark, because GATE is highly competitive, and even a difference of 1 marks will create a huge impact. So I will suggest that give as many test series as possible, because I followed that only. I used to give lot of test series in the last 2-3 months. So test series are something which helped me a lot. And after getting selection into GATE, after getting a good rank in GATE, you have to go through an interview process for getting selection in PSU. And PSUs recruit through two things. They either conduct their own test and do take interviews, and they can take shortlist on the basis of GATE score and then take interview. But you have to go through interview. So in my opinion, if someone is preparing for GATE, then he will be able to clear all the examination. Like what I did, I only prepared for GATE examination, and I was able to clear all the examination in which I appeared. Like I was able to clear engineering services examination, prelims, JPSC examination, BARC examination, ISRO examination, Coal India Limited, and other PSU examinations. So GATE is such a standard exam that if someone prepares for that, then he or she will be very comfortable with the other exams. And now coming on the interview part. So different PSUs conduct their interviews in different way. Like some PSUs conduct the interview which are totally technical. Some conduct interview in such a way that it is mix of both technical and HR, and some conduct in such a way that it is solely HR interview. So for PSUs for organizations like ISRO, BARC, the interviews are totally technical. Like you should be very thorough of the concept, because they are research based organization. They are not they will not focus much on your HR skills or communication skills. They just want to check whether you are very clear with the concepts or not. So if you are dreaming of getting into these organizations, then you should start reading standard books. But if you are targeting some other PSUs like Indian Oil, HPCL, this interview of this PSU or Coal India, these PSUs are more or less combination of both HR and technical. They will ask simple technical questions, and they will ask some HR questions, and they want to check everything. So if someone is able to acquire some skills like additional credential during his college life, then these things matters in interviews of PSUs like this, because if they will find something interesting, or if someone has a very interesting hobbies, then they will ask questions on that, and if they are asking more questions, then your chances of selection is more. So if someone is in college, then try to earn credential and skills that you can write in your CV. That will help you a lot during the placement interviews, or placement interviews during your college, and as well as in PSU's interviews. And apart from that, what I feel is like, if one is very clear with the concepts and one is very thorough with the things that one has studied, then he or she will easily clear the GATE examination and will perform very good in interviews as well. And that's all from my side, and I wish everyone good luck who are preparing for GATE examination. Thank you.